Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be taking a look at this Crescent 1000-6 pair of pliers here. And as you can see, they are a little bit rusty and probably a little bit grubby too. They came with this set of tools here for £4 from my favourite stall at the Flea Market. They were in fact my star buy from that Sunday's car boot sale or flea market. And initially I thought they were chrome plated, because you can actually see where it looks like the chrome plating has come off of the jaws here. With all this so-called damage in mind, I decided I was going to stick them on my wire wheel and then afterwards the fibre wheel, just to see what they would come up like. You know, you just don't know, do you really, guys? So I tried it and this was the result. And just look at the result, guys. Wow, look at these. Very nice. Let's take a closer look, shall we? Okay, so let's start with the handles then. And this very nice checker dot embellishment here. It's quite nice. Like that. Inside, the handles are smooth. There's no date code that I can see in there at all, but they're very nicely finished. Moving along. Look at this, guys. You remember what the jaws looked like originally? Just look at them now. And they're not chrome plated either. Where I thought the chrome was coming off is just here, but it's merely pitting. I don't think these pliers have seen very much work, to be honest with you. There's just some little bit of light rust damage and pitting going on here. It's a shame about this side. Look how rough it is, this side, but this side is very nice. Let's look inside the jaws, shall we? Look at that. Hardly any use at all. What about on the other side? Yeah, that's the same. Look at that. Look. I mean, that might just be rust pitting in there. But these look like, honestly, to me, these look like someone bought them and never used them. And the joint is tight as well. They don't look. They won't even fall open. They're not loose at all. What a beautiful pair of pliers. What I like about them is this the cutting part just here, because on normal pliers the cutters look like this. They're just here. That's the cutting section. But these button pliers just have a little cutter here, one here and one here too. And these are all in very good condition too. To be honest, I can't see any damage these pliers at all. I don't think they've been used very much, if at all. Even here, look. So nobody's tried to cut anything they shouldn't be with these. I mean, look at that. Aren't they beautiful? So I think these might have been somebody's toolbox queen. As I say, I bought these as a set of tools from my favourite tool stall. It charged me £4 for, how many tools was it now? Let me go and have a look. So that was 5 tools. This was one of 5 tools for £4. So these beautiful pliers here cost me 80p. I mean, aren't they beautiful, guys? I suppose we ought to get something up here and try these cutters out. Okay then, so here's a few bits and pieces. Got some 1.5mm twin and earth here. Let's give that a go. Absolute piece of cake for it there. There we go. This is multi-stranded stuff here. You can see there, look, hopefully, multi-stranded stuff. Get that in there. What's it like chopping that up? Oh yeah, wow. Cuts that nicely. What about the other side? Yep, and in the middle. Can we get it in there? Yeah, there we go. Wow, they are very sharp. They're very good. They are. Nice one. I've got some 4mm copper rod here. Let's give that a go again. Yep. Yep. What about the middle here? I think last time I tried this, the copper rod pinged off somewhere. Oh, look. There we go. Look at that. Nice. They're good, aren't they? Now then, being 6-inch pliers, I wonder what they're like for bending. We'll try this 4mm copper here. Get that in the jaws there, like so. Oh yeah, look at that piece of cake. They're quite nice to use, actually quite comfortable. I like those. Okay, so these part of the jaws here, you can actually get a bit of wire in there, say like you're doing some fencing, because these are, I looked in one catalogue, Crescent catalogue, and there these are like button fencing pliers or something they call them, something like that there. So you can get hold of some wire in these jaws and then use them against a fence post or whatever to stretch your cable. Look at leverage, extra bit of leverage, look. You've got a nice grip on this bit of cable here too, look. So I've got to say, for 80p, these are an absolutely beautiful pair of pliers, and they're going right into my collection at the end of this video here, with all my other pliers. I'm going to have to get myself a new toolbox fairly soon, because the one I've got down in the workshop is absolutely chocker full of tools. I don't think I can get many more in there, to be honest with you. But this pair of pliers came from the first car boot sale of the season this year, and then the following week I picked up these. Now I have been looking for a set of these for about 2 or 3 years now, and these are footprint fit all pliers, and these are in remarkably good condition for something that's probably from about 1900, 1913 or sometime around that period. Somebody's been looking after these. I've just got to sort out the ends of the jaws here. They shouldn't be like that. But these are a very nice pair of pliers. These cost me £1. I couldn't believe it. I offered the guy a quid and he ripped my hand off basically. So that's from the second week. I'm off out to the car boot sale tomorrow. I wonder if I can get another really nice pair of pliers tomorrow morning as well. Three weeks running. That'll be interesting to see, won't it? Okay then everyone, let me know what you think of these Crescent 1006s. I've tried searching for them, but they don't come up. What comes up is 1008s, and you can also get a 1010 as well, a 10-inch version of this too. So if I could find an 8 or a 10-inch version tomorrow morning, I would be more than happy, I can tell you. I don't know how many there would be in this country, but yeah, this is a particularly nice pair of pliers. What do you think, guys? I'm still considering whether I should do a full clean-up on these or not, because I think they will come up very nicely, because I've got some footprint wrenches down there that they'll probably be more or less the same age as these, and they come up very nicely indeed when they're polished up. They used very nice materials back then. They had some nice steel to work with. I think we're running out of really nice steel out of the ground at the moment. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you think of the Crescent 1006 6-inch pliers. I am very happy with them, and that's why they were my star buy last week. Nice, like those. Alright then guys, well thanks for popping over to Rathbone Manor once again and taking a look at some of the tools I've been picking up. As I say, I will be out to the, hopefully, weather permitting, I will be out to the car boot sale flea market tomorrow morning first thing, on the hunt for more interesting vintage and antique tools. I'm really looking forward to seeing what I can get, guys, I really am. So stay tuned and see what I can find. Thanks for watching.